Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase marketing efficiency with Asana, full guide step by step clearly. First, create an Asana account if you haven't already. Visit the Asana website and sign up for a free or premium plan. Log into your workspace to get started. Next, create a project specifically for your marketing team. Name the project to reflect the focus, such as 2023 marketing campaigns. Choose a project layout that suits your team's workflow. Once the project is set up, define clear goals and objectives. Outline key performance indicators to measure success. Now, add tasks that align with your marketing objectives. Clearly describe each task to ensure team members understand their responsibilities. Assign tasks to relevant team members based on their expertise. Set due dates to provide a timeline for each task's completion. Incorporate subtasks where necessary for complex tasks. Use tags or custom fields to categorize tasks for easier tracking. Establish regular check-ins by scheduling recurring tasks or meetings. Utilize Asana's calendar view for an overview of deadlines and milestones. Encourage team collaboration by using the comments section on tasks. Attach relevant files or links directly within tasks for easy access. Implement templates for repetitive marketing processes to save time. Use the workload feature to balance team capacity and avoid burnout. Monitor progress by reviewing project status updates frequently. Adjust tasks and timelines based on performance and feedback. Integrate Asana with other tools your team uses for seamless workflow. Consider using automation features to reduce repetitive manual work. At the end of your campaign, conduct a retrospective review within Asana. Analyze what worked well and areas for improvement for future campaigns. With these steps, you can significantly increase your marketing efficiency using Asana. Ready to transform your marketing efforts? Let's get started today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.